So I've never had a stand like this. Yeah, I've always used PVC, and it seemed to work fine. Banana Hobby sent me this and said, "Hey, try this out," and I did. Assembled it, put it together, and that's in this video. But more importantly is I really found value in having this, bringing it to the field, and having it in the shop. So if you're looking for that stand, that do-all stand that you can work on your planes at the field or in the shop much easier, this is a really good quality piece of kit, and the cost is very affordable. So let me go into the assembly and kind of show a little bit how I use it. Okay, the Banana Hobby heavy-duty stand. Very simple, goes together super quick, it's pretty easy. One of the things I like about it, has this cam situation there, so you're not really unscrewing anything. You're camming it apart and then locking it down. That's pretty cool. I'm going to go through more of this, put it to use, and see what's the biggest plane I can put on this thing. I'm going to go through and assemble. Pretty easy. It only goes together one way. So as far as the way that all the screws are set up, the holes, I mean, and here you got a bunch of parts, basically. Big screws, included an Allen wrench, and going to use Loctite, because the worst thing will be having one of these things with your big plane and one of the legs or something falls off. So that ain't going to happen here. Stick around, let me put this together, and we'll start putting it to use. Line up the holes. Some screws with Loctite. Get a fair amount of Loctite all over the threads. And just put them in by hand at first. All right, done. Pull that lever like so, cams apart, and close it. And now you got your stand sitting pretty. All right, now we're going to put on the other side. Close it up, just make it easier to install. Torque it down good. Flip it over. And, oh, don't want to mess that up. Get this one in. All right, she's done. So pull that, open it to desired setup, close, and voila. There you go. Something to note that when you put this down, and if it's wobbling a little bit, which it's going to, it has an offset right here. And you turn that, one of these sides, and it just makes it so it lays flat. So something to think about. It's an easy way to do that. I like the way they designed the system. There is no doubt that if you're looking for a stand, this should be an option that you look at. The features are very good, the assembly, price, all good. Check it out at Banana Hobby.